Hey folks, Jeff Herrick from Green Industrial today in Belgium, Wisconsin. Today we are featuring a 400 kW Cummins generator set. This machine is complete. I'll go through some of the basics right here standing in front of the machine. Then we'll take some video inside and show you what we got going on here. So again, it's a 400 kW or 500 kVA. This machine puts out 277 or 480 volt. It's going to give you about 600 amps of 480. It has a unit mounted circuit breaker which is built right into the machine, which is an extra. It's a great feature for you. It comes with a unit mounted base fuel tank. So once this thing is installed, you'll mount this on top of the tank itself. It has an enclosure to keep it from out of the elements. It has a unit mounted start and stop panel built right into the machine. Unit mounted radiator. It's completely standalone and ready to run. Folks, we even have the transfer switch that came with it that was inside the commercial facility this machine was running in. So the transfer switch that was set up with it came with it, so you get that with the machine as well. So folks, look no further. If you have any questions, please call me at the office, 262-476-5045, or check out our website at www.gibuys.com. And as always folks, save thousands, buy used from Green Industrial today.